Our philosophy is if you can get it anywhere, you can get it here. It started nearly 50 years ago, 47 years ago, by my father, who you met earlier. We literally was a very, very small shed, which we started to retail from, selling a few plants, potatoes and eggs, off the back of my dad's passion for gardening. It was a job I wanted to do from school. It's the old cliche, you know, at school I would go and work with dad and the teachers laugh, but no, I used to do weekend jobs, you know, sell the fish and help out. And when we used to go up to the auctions, I used to go in the van on a Sunday morning up to Wiz Beach. We don't really follow trends. We're part of a big group and we work closely together. And we wouldn't describe ourselves as a pretty garden centre. Obviously we try and look nice and we've got good product, but when it comes to the plants, most of the plants lend themselves to nice displays. Think about it, it's a phenomenon because you actually can take a speck of dirt, which is a seed, and it literally is a speck of dirt, and put it in a pot. And 3 months later you eat big tomatoes and things like that, or it's a great big sunflower. I mean, children are the gardeners of the future, but we have to help them but not overcomplicate it. I think sometimes the problem with children these days is they'll do something and they'll have a failure, the same as an adult, and they won't do it again. And it's our job to educate. It's like to trial things, particularly new plants, and I'll either give them to my mum to try, or I'll try them myself, and then you can, when you're selling the product, there's nothing better than experience. I think most people have done that, and then when you know the plant grows well and it takes this area, then it's good you can recommend it.